Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you're joining me for this video. Thanks once again for clicking on the PenBoyRoy Fountain Pen Review channel. The subject of today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Otto Hutt 04 model fountain pen. So let's get to it. Before I get started with this unboxing, please be reminded to check out my sponsor, Pen Chalet, over at penchalet.com. And make sure at checkout you use coupon code GOODWORDS for an extra discount on all products on the Pen Chalet website, some exclusions applying. If you need more information, check out the description down below in the show notes. So this pen was provided to me by Kenro Industries for review, so thank you guys for that. Let's start with the unboxing and the outer cardboard sleeve. It's a black cardboard sleeve that wraps around the entire thing, has silver foil branding on the front that says Excellent Writing Instruments, Otto Hutt, made in Germany since 1920. So the brand is over 100 years old. Slide that off, we have a shoebox style white cardboard box with, of course, the brand on the top, Germany 1920. Excellent Writing Instruments, made in Germany, just in case you forgot. So we're going to slide off the top. And we have our pen sitting inside a cardboard trap of some sort. Let's take it out. I just want to be gentle because everything is just so well packaged. And we have our pen sitting nicely inside of a pen body bag. Let's put this off to the side. Let's take a look at the pen. All right, it's a nice hefty pen, nice plunger-shaped finial. The clip is a spring-loaded rocker clip style clip. Made in Germany on the back, it's rose gold plated, and let's see how many rotations it takes to uncap the pen. 1, 2, 3, well, it's like 3 full rotations. It's like a combination lock. We have a metal section, two-tone gold nib with the Otto Hutt branding, and let's check out what's on the inside. So this is a cartridge converter. It has a spacer cartridge, and I hear another cartridge in here. Okay. Before I start bugging out completely about the fact that there's no converter in here, let me give them the benefit of the doubt and let me see if there is a converter inside the secret compartment over here. So let's lift up this cardboard and see, that's what I like to see. A converter included. And not only is it a converter included, this one is branded. It says Otto Hutt. That's what I'd like to see. Good job, guys. Okay, and we have some literature here. We have an information card. I like what they say here, Otto Hutt writing utensil. Information on the back. And of course, you have your little wipey cloth. No pen is complete without a wipey cloth. And it looks like an information booklet that I'll have to take a look at later. So far, presentation seems decent. Is there anything under here? Nothing under here. Presentation is decent. I can't complain. I can't wait to do the full extensive review on this, but this was, just so you know, the unboxing of the Otto Hutt Model 04 fountain pen. Thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Be well, be safe.